What do an airplane pilot and a solar professional have in common? They both know that skipping a pre-flight checklist can lead to disaster. Just as a pilot checks every detail before takeoff, a solar expert performs a thorough pre-flight assessment to make sure your system is set to generate power smoothly and efficiently. At Sunstra, this step is key to every installation. A solar site assessment isn't just a formality. It's a checkup that confirms your home is ready for a successful solar setup. Just like you'd see a doctor to get an all clear, solar experts inspect every detail of your property to ensure your system will be efficient and reliable. So, what exactly do they look for? First, they focus on your roof, where the panels will be installed. They'll check its age, condition, and which way it faces. South-facing roofs are ideal, but east and west-facing ones can work well too. They'll also measure things like pitch, available space, and structural strength to make sure it's ready to support a solar system for the next 25 to 30 years. Shading is another big factor. Assessors use tools to track how shadows from trees, chimneys, and nearby buildings move across your roof throughout the day and seasons. Even a small bit of shade on one panel can reduce the output of your entire system, so this step ensures a clear picture of your roof's sun exposure. They'll also inspect your electrical system to make sure it's up to the job. Solar panels generate a lot of power, so if you have an older home, the electrical panel or wiring might need an upgrade. Better to know that up front. Local factors also come into play, like climate patterns, regulations, and financial incentives. With Sunstra, homeowners can also learn about any rebates or tax breaks that might be available based on their location. Modern technology really comes in handy here too. Drones give assessors a detailed view of your roof, while advanced software calculates how much energy your panels could produce. This tech removes the guesswork, giving you accurate savings projections. To get the most out of your assessment, it's helpful to gather recent electricity bills so the assessor has a sense of your energy use. If you have information on your roof's age and condition, even better. And be sure they have access to the roof, attic, and electrical panel for a smooth assessment process. After the assessment, you'll receive a report on your home's solar potential. This report is invaluable for making informed decisions and comparing quotes from solar companies, including Sunstra. Some people consider skipping the professional assessment, but this small upfront cost can save you from expensive mistakes and make sure your system performs at its best. Think of it like having a map for a road trip. Yes, you might reach your destination without it, but a plan makes the journey much smoother. A thorough site assessment helps ensure that solar becomes a smart, long-term investment in your home, paying off in lower energy bills and increased property value. If you're thinking about going solar, don't skip this crucial first step. A professional assessment could be the difference between a good solar setup and a great one. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be sharing more tips on solar energy and sustainable living, so stay tuned. And when you're ready to explore solar options, Sunstra is here to help you every step of the way. Until next time, keep embracing a lifestyle that's green, clean, and smart.